Nitrous oxide.
What's that?
That is the anesthetic, you know.
Oh, good.
Yes, it is good, yes.
Oh, please, Doctor. The pain is getting worse. Please, hurry up.
A few whiffs of this, and you won't feel a thing.
All right.
Now breathe deeply. How's that?
It's fine.
How do you feel?
A little dizzy. What's so funny?
I don't know, nothing.
And why are you laughing?
No, why are you laughing?
Because I can't help it. Yes. I'd love it.
He's gonna hurt.
Oh, good. Lovely.
I will have to use more lever.
I don't know what you gave me, Doctor, but it's giving me hallucinations. Your whole face has changed.
How's this?
Grotesque.
We just got word, boss. Pluto's still alive.
I knew it. He has pulled the wrong tooth. There's only one man who would pull the wrong tooth. It's Clouseau. Kill him. Kill him.